look at all this grass I gotta put in. Hey, man.
What's up, man?
Alright, so it is, let me see what time it is. 11:17. This is how much we've gotten. Still need all that. The rest of that. Alright, it's 1:30. We got most of it done. Look at that crap. Ooh, if you need some sod, let me know. No, not really. I can help though. Got most of it in over here. And the rest of it over here. I thought we were gonna be low.
I know, it was close. It was close.
It was really close.
It's really good. Finally. A whole year later.
It looks real good, actually.
Yeah. It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life.
Got me for life. Yeah.
I don't need a hand to hold. Even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul.
And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of tree, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get away what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet of Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want. Cause this hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone.
I made it home a long time ago. And I've been thinking about doing something with my hair. So I think I'm gonna do this number to it and then get it all poofed up and stuff. Get this all edged up. So I think I'm gonna go to MJ Friday tomorrow right before first Friday at Kamapazzi. Hope I get his pictures again. I love doing that for them. It's fun, it's awesome, it's good times. So, I don't know what y'all think about this. Think I can pull it off, all edged up, all cleaned up?